Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue lesson 13 circles. In this chapter, our topics are relation between radius and diameter of a circle and some examples. Today our topic is relation between radius and diameter of a circle. Look at the given circle. Do you recall this black line whose endpoints are on the circle and is passing through the center? Yes, GH is a diameter. And OG and OH are the radii. Let us measure radii OG and OH. What you see? Yes, OG is equal to 2 centimeter and OH is equal to 2 centimeter. Let us measure diameter GH. Look at carefully. Yes, GH is equal to 4 centimeter. So what you observe? We observe that the length of a diameter of a circle is 2 times the length of its radius. That means diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. And radius is half of the diameter. That means radius is equal to diameter upon 2. Let's solve some examples. Find the diameter of a circle whose radius is given below. Question number 1. 4 centimeter. That means radius is equal to 4 centimeter and diameter is equal to, find out. We know that diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius and radius is equal to 4 centimeter. So put the value 2 multiplied by 4 centimeter. 2 4s are 8. So the diameter is 8 centimeter. Let us solve one more question. Question number 2. 5.4 centimeter. That means radius is equal to 5.4 centimeter. And we have to find out diameter. That means diameter is equal to question mark. We know that diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Put the value 2 multiplied by 5.4 centimeter. Do the multiplication. So diameter is equal to 10.8 centimeter. Our next topic is find the radius of a circle whose diameter is given below. Question number 1. 7 centimeter. That means diameter is equal to 7 centimeter and radius we have to find out. We know that radius is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by diameter. Put the value 1 upon 2 multiplied by 7 centimeter. If we divide 7 by 2, we get 3.5. So the radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Let us solve one more question. Question number 2. 6.4 centimeter. That means diameter is equal to 6.4 centimeter. And radius we have to find out. We know that radius is equal to diameter upon 2 or 1 upon 2 multiplied by diameter. Put the value 1 upon 2 multiplied by 6.4 centimeter. Divide 6.4 by 2. We get 3.2. So we can say that radius is equal to 3.2 centimeter. Let us solve one more question. Name all the radii, diameters and chords in this circle. Let's recall radius. Radius is a line segment joining the center of a circle to any point on the circle. So all the radii in this circle are OP, OQ, OR and OS. Let's recall diameter. Diameter is a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle and which passes through the center of the circle. So all the diameters in this circle are PR and QS. Let's recall chord. A chord is a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. So all the chords in this circle are PQ, QR, RS, SP, PR and QS. Let us solve one more question. Draw the following in this circle. Number 1. Radius OX. Look at the circle given here. O is the center and take one point X on the circle. Then join OX. The line segment OX is called a radius of the circle. That means radius is a line segment joining the center of a circle to any point on the circle. Number 2. Draw diameter AB in this this circle. Draw a line segment AB whose endpoints lie on the circle which passes through the center of the circle. This line segment AB is called a diameter of the circle. Number 3. Draw chord AC in this circle. Draw a line segment AC like this whose endpoints lie on the circle. So AC is called a chord of the circle. Let us solve one more question. In this circle, number 1, MN and XY are dashed and the answer is chords, because a chord is a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. Number 2, XN and MY are dashed and the answer is diameter or chord, because diameter is a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle and which passes through the center of the circle. And a chord is a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. Number 3, OX and OM are dashed and the answer is radii, because radius is a line segment joining the center of a circle to any point on the circle. Let us solve one more question. Observe the given circle and answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name the center and the answer is O. Question number 2. How many radii are there? And the answer is 4. OA, OB, OC and OE. Question number 3. Name all the chords. Let's recall chord. A chord is a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. So the answer is AB, AC, BD, BE, CE and DE. Question number 4. Name any one diameter. Let's recall diameter. A diameter is a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle which passes through the center of the circle. So the answer is AC or BE. You can write any one. Question number 5. Name a semicircle. Semicircle means half of a circle is called the semicircle. So the answer is ABC or AEC or BAE or BCE. You can write any one. I hope you all understand relation between radius and diameter of a circle. So students, complete lesson 13, worksheet 1, question number 1, 4, 5, 8 and 9 in maths textbook, and question number 2, 3, 6 and 7 in maths CW. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.